Hello. So I just received my, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, Grisel's Tarot card deck, and we're going to open it together. Nicely packaged. Here's my pouch, hand painted pouch. Beautiful. Butterflies. And I forget what that one is. It's one of the cards from her tarot deck. And these are my cards. And a nice little card that's personalized. It says, "Greetings, Susan. And thank you for your Grisel's Tarot deck and pouch order. I so appreciate your support. Painting the tarot has been a lifelong dream of mine. Hope your deck brings you hours of joyful divination. Bright blessings, Holly Sierra." Well, thank you, Holly Sierra. I hope it brings me lots of great blessings. So nice. And I guess this is an additional card. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like it's an additional card. Beautiful. So funny because I was heading out the door. I saw the mailman come and I was looking for another piece of mail. And then I saw my box. I forgot about it. And what a nice surprise. So thank you, Holly. I hope I get a lot of use out of them. And thank you again.